Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you exactly where all the 6 gentlemen's clubs are in Jomtien. Now we're just going past the traffic lights. That's Teprasit Road up to the left, and we're on Pattaya Road, which is the main road. If you come from Pattaya and you go over the hill near Buddy Hill, the next one, you go over the hill, you drop down the hill, exactly where the BART bus goes. If you're going to go to Jomtien, this is the same route, so you could be on a BART bus going down here. Now you know where you can get the BART buses at the junction of South Pattaya Road and 2nd Road. So but you come down here. Now these traffic lights, if you turn right at these traffic lights, you come down to the beach, but we're turning left, and we're going to go left down a dirt road. It's a bit like soy pothole, actually, just as bad. But it's a private road, obviously, and there's a whole bunch of villas down here. Now we go right to the very end, which is Soy 1, and then we turn right and we drop down Soy 1 just a short way. Then that takes us to Passion. Now Passion is probably, I think, the oldest, longest running gentleman's club in Jomtien, and it's very well known, and it has a lot of customers, and it has a lot of staff, and some of them are very nice indeed. I highly recommend Passion above all other ones in Jomtien, to be honest, because it's been going the longest. Everyone knows it, and the prices are reasonable. I mean, a beer is 95 baht, which for a gents club is halfway really in between a beer bar and a go-go, isn't it? That's a normal gents club sort of price. Lady drinks are 150. Obviously they have on-site facilities. They're 400 baht. And of course the staff, you know, the ST prices are not excessive at all. They're just normal beer bar prices, absolutely normal beer bar prices, no silly go-go prices in gents clubs. So here we are. This is the end of the road. This is Soy 1 to the right. There you can read the sign. We drop down here, and this takes us the very last villa on the right hand side. Now this is a private villa, and it has its own swimming pool days when there's barbecues. So that's the first one, Passion. Now we'll move on. So we'll go back up here and we'll turn left and we'll go back down that dirt road. Now when we come to the traffic lights again, what we're going to do is go straight across the traffic lights and go down toward the beach. So that's like, again, it's Pattaya Road where you would have turned right. So we go down toward the beach, and on the left side there's the Viper Bar, which is the only, or I think the only go-go in Jomtien, isn't it? Anyway, on opposite that, on the right, you have Kit Kat. Now Kit Kat we're going to go and see now. I'll show you exactly where it is. We'll stop the bike, we'll walk round down this little street, and I'll show you exactly where it is, and I'll give you all the prices as well. So you know exactly where it is and you know all the prices, okay? And then we'll continue on to the other the other 4 after that. There's one brand new one which I'm sure you won't know, because it's only been there, I think, open 2 weeks. I think it's 2 weeks. You'll see it anyway. I'll show you that one as well on the way down, and we're just going all the way down Beach Road, because as you stop off to the left side, that's where the first one is, that's where the next one is, and so on down Beach Road. So we'll continue down there. Now as we approach the traffic lights, as we come down this dirt road, look to the left. There's a blue sign and it says the pantry. See that on the left there? That is an expat shop. That's for expat food and everything like that. Okay, right, so we come down back to the traffic lights here. There's no lights for this direction, so we'll just have to jump across when we can. Anyway, that's the way it is in Thailand. So down here on the right, there's Hemingway's actually, which is a very nice restaurant. and then on the left side is the Viper Bar. On the right, further down, we just go under the arch here as we approach the beach. And then we come to, there's a big yellow sign on the right saying Kit Kat. I'll just point the sign out as we approach it. Then we'll park the bike up outside there and we'll walk in. And I'll show you where it is and I'll show you the prices. See the sign there? I'll just put the prices up. This is very reasonably priced here. It opens at 3 o'clock. And from 3 till 6 is a happy hour. So the beer is only 79 baht. Lady drinks are only 135, but I'll put the prices up, you'll see. But we'll park up and we'll just go walk round, okay? In case you're wondering what time it was now, it was about 3:30 roughly. I deliberately waited until they were all of them were open, because some open at 1 o'clock, some open at 2, some open at, the last one's open at 3. So then I just went in after I'd done this little video approaching it. I then closed the camera, went in and had a chat to the cashier and got the prices, the actually up-to-date prices today. So I'll just continue further down Tapizit Road until it turns and becomes Beach Road. Okay, so once we've gone left, we just go along to Soi 3. It's only a very short way to the next of the third one of these Gents clubs, which is Seahorse Gents Club. That's on Soi 3, just a little bit further along. So again, we'll go and I'll show you exactly where it is. I pulled up outside, I switched off the camera, went inside, spoke to the cashier and got all the prices, the exact correct prices, up to date and everything. Had a quick look at the staff, which were all there of course, and then we'll move on to the next one. So this is Soi 3, so we turn left here and just move down, and it's just a little bit further down on the right hand side. So I'll just put the prices up and everything. They have on-site facilities, again 400 baht. They're all around that sort of price pretty much now. So, and these standard ST prices, they're all pretty much the same with the Gents clubs now. Nothing like go-go prices. They're just normal beer bar prices, you know. So on the right you see the white building. See, that's Seahorse, okay? And there are the prices, which are practically beer bar prices, aren't they? You know, your higher class beer bar will be around 80 baht, same sort of figure. Lady drinks 120, that's cheaper than a lot of beer bars. Okay, back down to Beach Road, and then we turn left and go further along Beach Road. This is Soi 3, so the next Soi we go to is actually Soi 7-1, or you look for Soi 7 and then it's the one after that which doesn't have a sign. Just to fool you. I would normally you'd call it 7-1. So we'll go left here, we'll go down Beach Road and move to the next one. The next one is Lips Lounge, which have opened also another Lips Lounge on Soi Honey in the centre of Pattaya. If you remember on the previous video we did see it, although it wasn't open at the time. So we just move along here and we'll look for Soi 7 on the left, and then we'll go to the next one after that, just 7-1, and that's how you find it. One of the things about these Gents clubs, when you come to Jomtien, you do find the prices are lower in most of these places than they are in the city centre. And if you're retiring here or whatever, which a lot of guys do, then there's Soi 7, it's the next one on the left, which doesn't have a sign, as I said. Then these cheaper places might suit you. I mean, a lot of people do retire here. So we'll just go up here, and it's just on the right hand side a little bit further up, and we'll go and check out their prices and what have you. Again, all of these places have on-site facilities. There we are. I see the sign to the right, the big red sign with the lips. That's Lips Lounge there. So I'll put the prices up now, okay? As you can see, the prices are very good, especially in happy hour. Right, let's move along back onto Beach Road. and we turn left. We go to the next one, which is actually the newest one that's just opened 2 weeks ago, called Nirvana, which most of you will not have heard of or not know anything about, but it's on Soy Welcome. So we just come down here. It's just a short run, not far. But while we're just going down here, let me just have a chat to that. There's a lot of newbies out there who don't understand what a gents club is as opposed to a beer bar and a go-go. It's in between the two. It's in between a beer bar and a go-go. It has reasonable prices. The staff are quite nice, not walking street go-go standard, but still very acceptable. I mean, you're talking about 8 or 8 plus, that sort of figures, a lot of them, you know. And the facilities are on site. Now, if you know what I mean, like, for example, the reason for gents clubs originated back in the day when expats were living here with girlfriends and wives, most of them, and they would get out for the afternoon. Say they're playing golf or go play, you know, whatever, volleyball, I don't know, whatever you want to go play, and tell the wife that's where you're going. But you wouldn't go there. You would go to a gents club for the afternoon, and that's the reason for the existence of gents clubs, and that's the reason why they're open in the afternoon as opposed to the evening, because in the evening these expats who are living here are with their families or their wives or whatever. The afternoon is playtime, basically, if you know what I mean. By the way, in Thailand, people tend to ignore pedestrian crossings if there's nobody on it. I mean, the traditional gents clubs are like Passion, which opens at 1 o'clock, or Kinnery, again, which opens at 1 o'clock, or I think it might even be 12 Kinnery. But that's the traditional ones, the really, really traditional ones. Since then, you have other places which open much, much later. There's the odd ones, but as long as they follow all the normal criteria to apply to a gents club, which we're talking about on-site facilities and stuff like that, and reasonable, acceptable prices, then that's fine. I mean, an example of that would be Heaven Above, which is exactly the same as any other gents club, except it opens at 5 o'clock. But all the other facilities and the very high quality of staff and the prices which are not too high, it's all perfectly acceptable and highly recommended, by the way. I've mentioned it before, but it is highly recommended, Heaven Above. So let's have a look. Where are we? We need to find on the left side Soy Welcome. So we're looking for Nirvana, which is a small gents club. It's only a single unit, so it's quite small. It has on-site facilities available again. Prices are reasonable. Anyway, here we are. I think it's just a little bit further than we turn left, and I'll dig out the prices. I'll put them on the screen for you. This is Soy Welcome, and it's just a little bit down here on the left side. The staff were very friendly, very chatty. There we are, that's Nirvana. So, you know, prices are reasonable, the staff were nice. So it's a new place, give it a try. Right, we're back on Beach Road again, going down. Now, where we're going to go now is a little bit further on. It's a little bit more of a run, but the BART bus still runs down this route. But we're going to go to the last one, the sixth one, which is quite a big unit actually. It's much bigger than the other ones, except for Passion, of course. But it's quite large, and quite a few staff. I think that when I went inside, I think there was about maybe 8 or 10 staff, and there was a Swiss manager guy, very friendly guy, very nice guy. And he chatted and told me everything. Again, on-site facilities which they did not used to have before this manager arrived. He's turned the place around, because when it first opened, I did try it out a while ago. I did go look, and it was a disappointment when it first opened, and this manager has totally turned it around. It's now a good place to go. So, and the prices are reasonable. The staff were very nice. I thought that I was quite impressed with the staff. So if you've gone previously to Pussy Galore and thought it wasn't up to scratch, which I did, try it again now, because it's totally changed. Okay, totally changed. So give it another try. That's my recommendation. The new manager's name is Ryan, by the way, so if you do go, just say hello from Everything Pattaya. But good guy. Had a chat to him for a while. So let's have a look. Now we're coming down here quite a long way, but whatever. It's still on the BART bus route. I mean, the thing about this being on the BART bus route is that you can actually just get off it and walk up. Each of them you can walk up. It's not that far. This one's a little bit further, but it's only a 5-minute walk from the main BART bus route. It's not that far. So you don't have to have your own transport to get to these places, any of them. Even Passion, as you remember, as you came down to Prior Road, and then you got to the traffic lights where you would turn right. So we turn left up here. This is the just at the top of here, maybe 200 yards, is on the left side. So I mean, as I was saying, you could walk up the dirt road to Passion. You can walk up these roads here. You could walk up here from the BART bus route. But they're all accessible. Anyway, tell me what you think about the prices here. I'll put them up now. Okay. I mean, 85 baht's fine, but look at the price of the lady drink. Now that's a real decent price. That's okay. A very acceptable price, that. So yeah, come and have a look. I thought it was tremendous difference from last time. This Ryan's done a very good job. It's actually right on the corner by the traffic lights, just before the lights on the left side. It's a big building, very big. I think it must have been a villa or something at one time. It looks like it. But anyway, come have a look. So tell me what you think of the prices. Tell me what you think of all the Jomtien Gents clubs. So there's 6 of them. Come have a look. Why not? Give it a try. Anyway, guys, I'm off tonight to Soy 6 to go. There's one of the staff just came out to go make an uncut video for Patreon. So you want to see that? Go have a look at Patreon. Anyway, guys, please subscribe and like and share and ring the bell, especially share. Let everyone see the channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video.